Hey everyone, it's Rachel with travelwithred.net. I am starting a new cannot talk today, a new subscription box, which is really not new to most people. It's the Boxy Charm monthly one. I think it's about $21. I got this on a sale. But anyway, I thought I would review it and kind of go over what is in the April 2018 box. A little bit different because at this point we've probably seen about 20 or 30 unboxings. I did actually go in, look through all the products, test most of them out so I could get a good feel and kind of say what I liked and didn't like about them. So when we open it up, as everybody knows, it has this little thing and the got an itch there. The little label here says that the theme today is eye candy, and so here's all my products, how much they cost, yada yada yada, all that fun stuff. There's some coupons on the back, so kind of handy. So starting off, the first thing was the Tartist Pro Glow liquid highlighter, and this color is Sparkle, which I think is, when I look at the form here, it's the more pinky light color, which makes sense because I'm a redhead and I am pale, so we stick to light. So this is what it looks like, and it is a really pretty highlighter. And a little goes a really long way on this stuff. So I'm gonna swatch it out so you can see it. And it's really nice in that it, if you can see it there, it dries up pretty fast. And so I had been playing with this earlier when I got it in, and it dried up on my hand fairly quickly. So I didn't have a lot of rub off. My daughter was wanting to play with it. So I like that color. It's really pretty. I put a little bit on my cheeks, probably a little too much there. It's nice. I'm actually quite excited to use this. So next thing is this Adice high definition liquid lipstick. There's only one color. I forgot. I looked on the website to see what the color was. It doesn't say it on the box. But this is the product. And it is an interesting product. When I looked at the bottle, I was like, oh, this is a nice color. And I'm gonna swatch it here. It's got this really like tacky, kind of sticky feel to it. And when I was reading the reviews from everyone, they all kind of said the same thing, that it was kind of a sticky, tacky feeling. It reminds me of a bad gloss from the 90s, like when I was in high school and you'd wear this like tacky gloss. It's also, it's the brown color is not really working. I had put some on, and then I actually put in my NYX over it, the matte, because it was just too brown. So this is, I'm kind of disappointed in this. If it were a little bit pinker, I could get over the tacky, not drying, sticky, but the color is just not really working on me, which is kind of a shame. I can't pull it off very well. The next thing, and I have not actually tried this out, is the Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner Pores No More. And this thing, when I was looking up the price, is a $47 bottle. This little tube, $47. It smells very interesting. So I'm gonna have to try this out. This is one of the products I have not tried out, so I don't know, but I heard great things about their product. So the next thing I have here is called the Brow Gal in Brown Hair 2 Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers. As you can see it there. Now, I've heard mixed reviews about this as well in everybody's unboxings, because a lot of people complained that it was too light of a color. I'm a redhead. with extremely pasty skin, and I generally don't have to fill in my eyebrows because I have a lot of hair. It's just lighter. But every time I get in with an eyebrow pencil, it makes me look like a horror show. It's horrible. So I was kind of really excited to try this out. You can see the color. It is a lighter color, but I have it on here, and as you can see, it works really, really well with my coloring. So if you're a blonde, a redhead, a light brown hair, this is pretty freaking awesome. It looks real natural. It just kind of darkened and thickened up my natural eyebrows. I don't have any other eyebrow pencil or anything else in there. This is just it. And I'm not one to go a little overboard on my eyebrows because I just don't really like that look. I think it's a little too heavy where everybody's getting these perfectly shaped commas. I don't like it. But then again, I am a child of the 80s and raised in the 90s, so we had like non-existent eyebrows. So the final thing, which is the coolest and I'm the most excited about, is the ColourPop palette. I have the You Had Me at Hello, and I was really hoping I wasn't going to get a couple of the different palettes. This was one of the ones I was going to be excited if I got. It is beautiful. It's got a lot of browns and purpley pinks and some shimmers and some mattes. I did a little bit of on here, some purples and browns on here. It is such a pretty palette. I am so excited. And the colors on this are just beautiful. I'm going to swatch a few of these. Just to give you a good idea. They are really, really, really beautiful colors. As you can see, as I make my arm here, oof, there. As you can see, these colors, very, very pretty. Didn't think through this swatching very well, but very pretty colors, very, very much so. Very much like them. Beautiful, good blending quality. So really, really like these. So that is it. To kind of go over the prices here for you guys. So the Tartist is MSRP is $29. The ColourPop palette is MSRP of $18. The Brow Gal is $22. The Adesi is $24. And then, of course, the Dr. Brand is $47. So, pretty big bang for your buck. I kind of just did a little half-done version of it for myself. I didn't put a lot of foundation on. I don't think I really have eyeliner on. I just kind of played a little bit with the brow, the eyeshadow, a little bit of highlighter, and the lipstick. I thought it was cute. So, very happy. Very, very excited. I also got in the mail today. I do a bunch of different websites and things to get free stuff to try out, or products and subscription services. And so I do one called CrowdTap. And I just got in a huge box of stuff that I'll be trying out. And in a month or so, when I am done trying that out, I will let you guys know how it turns out. But super excited. So got that coming. I have my Fun, however you say it, box that should be coming this week. I kind of splurged on the Edit Cell, and I figure I'll go over that. I have a $150 box of Edit Cell goodies, which when I calculated out was several $100s. And then I have a glossy box coming next week. So I'll go over those. And my stylist is getting my next Stitch Fix together. So I have a couple of things to go over and show you guys over the next week. So if you like this, subscribe. I need to get some followers. I like to know that there's people out here watching me, even if I suck. And you know, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. You can also go read my blog at travelwithred.net or go to my Facebook page at Travel with Red, and I go over product reviews, trips, just kind of things about lifestyle, you know, for your 30-some-odd-year-old lady with 2 kids. So anyway, that's it for today. Tell me what you think. Talk to you later. Bye.